All right. 9.3, the slope of a line. Standard 9.3 says I can calculate the slope of a line passing through 2 points. We just talked about this pretty recently. If you know 2 points on the line, you can find the slope using the following formula. Difference in y coordinates over the difference in x coordinates. We have a formula. You have to use this formula. y2 minus y1 equals x2 minus x1. This means the x and y from the second point minus the x and y from the first point. That's why it says 2 and 1. All right, I will model this for you, but I really want you guys to remember that up and down is where they come from the same pair, coordinate pair, okay? So let's take a look. Finish the slope of the line through the given points. Let's write our thing off. So we're going to say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. There's our formula. All right? So let's fill that out. So y2 minus y1, we're going to do 2 minus 4. And then 9 minus 3. All right, and then we're going to subtract. 2 minus 4 makes negative 2. 9 minus 3 makes 6. Just like before, we have to reduce this, so I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 2. And I'm going to get 1/3, negative 1/3, so m equals negative 1/3. All right, let's do it again. Y's, I have negative 7 minus negative 1, all right, over 0 minus 8. Let's find our totals. Negative 7 minus negative 1. Remember, anytime that we subtract a negative, we're going to add its opposite. So negative 7 plus 1 makes negative 6 over negative 8. And I'm going to divide the top and the bottom both by negative 2. That's going to give me 3 over 4. So slope is 3 over 4. All right, next page. Remember, you can write this at the top of yours too. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, y's, I have 9 minus 3 over negative 10 minus negative 4. And every time I subtract a negative, I'm going to add its opposite. All right, so now I'm going to total those up. I have 6 over negative 10 plus 4 is 6. Well, anytime it's a number, negative 6. There we go. So now I have 6 over negative 6. That's going to make, so the signs are different, so it's negative 1. So it makes negative, and 6 over 6 is 1, so negative 1. My slope is negative 1 on this one. Let's try the next one. 8 and negative 2. I'm going to do negative 2 minus 8. And then I have negative 9 minus negative 9. Negative 9 minus negative 9. Anytime I have a minus a negative, I add its opposite. So I have negative 2 minus 8 makes negative 10. Negative 9 plus 9 makes 0. Well, anything over 0 is just automatically undefined. Undefined, all right? So just follow that process. Here's your homework. Same thing. Remember, please remember y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right? So on this front page, you're going to just find your answers. Show me all of your work. On this page, you're going to find your answers. Find the slope of each given pair of points. Find the answer in the grid below and shade in their shapes. Not all shapes will be shaded in. Right? You're just making a design. It's not a big deal. All right? Really, I'm more worried about these. Show your work for all these. Give us your answers. All right. You're good. Thank you.